When placing a custom order for a full cap hair system, precise measurements are essential for an impeccable fit. Let's simplify the process for you. All you need is a flexible measuring tape and an easy-to-remove pen. With these tools, you can accurately capture the 7 critical dimensions required for a seamless, client-specific design. And now, let's begin with measuring the full cap size. 1. Circumference. Make sure you start with the front hairline. Place the measuring tape around the head, just above the ears and across the forehead. Ensure it sits comfortably. This measurement determines the overall hair system size. 2. Front to back. Measure from the front hairline to the nape of the neck. This front to back measurement is vital for hair system length and proper fit. 3. Ear to ear over forehead. This measurement helps determine the hair system's front width. 4. Temple to temple over top of head. This measurement is crucial for hair system crown fit and overall comfort. 5. Ear to ear over crown of head. This ensures the hair system sits correctly on the top of the head. 6. Temple to temple over, back of head. This measurement is essential for back width. 7. Nape of neck. Finally, measure the width of the nape of the neck. This measurement ensures the hair system sits comfortably at the back. Once completed, ensure all measurements are clearly documented on the order form. For expert guidance or clarification, our technical team is readily available to assist. Elevate your craftsmanship. Precision starts here.